Hey there, people! By the time we reach our early 40s, we usually start developing wrinkles. This is when we get worried and spend thousands of dollars to hide it. What if I said that you could get rid of early wrinkles with a banana? Bananas are rich in nutrients, and some of those nutrients can help save you major cosmetic bills. In this video, I'm going to tell you how a banana mask can help you fight wrinkles. Number 1. It prevents skin damage. As we age, our skin's defense mechanisms start to fail, which allows free radicals to break down the collagen in our skin. So, how can a banana help? Well, bananas are a rich source of vitamin A, a nutrient that has a lot of potent antioxidants. It refreshes your skin and doesn't allow the free radicals to damage the collagen. It also gets rid of acne and fine lines that may appear as you age. Vitamin A also protects our skin from redness and pigmentation that can be caused by exposure to too much sunlight. If you thought that was cool, there's more. Vitamin A boosts cell production and protects the skin by helping fibroblasts develop more tissue to keep the skin healthy. It also provides a natural barrier against the ultraviolet rays, so you get to save both cosmetic bills and medical bills. Number 2. It's rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is your skin's best friend. We've already told you about how bad free radicals are for your skin, but rough molecules are another damaging property that can harm your skin's collagen. This is where vitamin E comes to the rescue. Be it the sun who wants to burn your skin or the toxic particles in the air, this nutrient neutralizes and cleanses them off your skin. It also forms a protective barrier around your cell membranes, which enables it to stay hydrated for a longer period of time. That's not all though. Vitamin E also fights against skin inflammation. According to a study conducted on people with atopic dermatitis, which causes itchiness and irritation of the skin, it was found that people who consumed more vitamin E got more relief. Oh, and just like vitamin A, vitamin E also keeps your acne scars away. Number 3. Reduces stress marks. As we age, our defenses lower and we become more vulnerable to a lot of things. One of them is stress marks. As we reach our 20s, we are susceptible to them. Stress marks are the result of the pressure we take on in a day. There are other factors at play too, such as indigestion and blood pressure. If you're wondering why you have small dots on your forehead or nose, well, this may be one of the reasons. So, what can you do to cure these stress marks? Apply a banana mask. Bananas are rich in magnesium. These nutrients help tighten the pores of your skin and get rid of those particles that cause these marks. Apart from that, much like vitamin A, magnesium also boosts the cell production of your skin, which can help you avoid stress marks in the first place. Number 4. Iron mask for your face. No, not the mask of Iron Man. I'm talking about the nutrient iron. When you put a banana mask on your face, you're also putting iron on your face. Iron is a nutrient that can help remove acne scars. The iron present in banana fights against acne and increases the cell production on your skin. It also tightens the pores of your skin and makes it difficult for the free radicals to cause fine lines or wrinkles. Iron also fights dry skin by enabling the skin to absorb more moisture. This also keeps the skin from getting too oily. One interesting thing to note is that things like hair loss, premature graying of hair, and dry skin are all results of iron deficiency. This doesn't mean that the factors can't be reversed. Having enough iron a day is going to help you keep these troubles at bay. That is exactly what you'll get with this mask. Needless to say, your skin will look healthier than before. Since we've talked about the nutrients that can help in your crusade against wrinkles, spots, and acne, let's focus on the other ingredients that will play a role in your mission. Honey. That's right, a banana mask is incomplete without honey. This already digested food acts as a catalyst in this procedure. Remember the antioxidants that we were talking about? Well, honey adds more properties into the mix. Now, just add its antibacterial properties and you have a perfect response for all the blackheads on your skin. Because of the antioxidants, the oxidized particles that have set up shop in your pores find it hard to stay there, as the honey cleanses them away. After that, it hydrates and strengthens the skin pores. Apart from that, the properties of honey complement the properties of the banana, making it a strong combination. If you really want to take care of your skin, you won't just stop at adding honey. You'll add a teaspoon of something else. Curd. Yes, curd is one of the necessary ingredients in this mix. It lightens the mixture and allows the honey and banana to blend in properly. Apart from that, curd comes with a lot of good bacteria. This good bacteria enriches your skin from within and helps its pigmentation. Curd also improves the quality and complexion of the skin. The vitamin D present in curd helps to keep the skin away from itches and bad bacteria. If all of that was not good enough, it also contains antioxidants. As we've already discussed, these antioxidants help to cleanse your skin, and the anti-inflammatory properties fight acne. On top of all that, you can use curd whether you have dry or oily skin. So, have you tried the banana mask yet? Let us know about your experience in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.